In this video, we'll talk about the best diet for HIIT. To benefit from any workout plan to the fullest, it's imperative to have a suitable diet plan, complementing the workout sessions. For a HIIT, it is essential to have a diet that's rich in proteins and has sufficient carbs. This ensures that you have enough energy to exercise intermittently without giving in to fatigue. Along with that, an adequate amount of water is also essential for the success of a HIIT workout. Pre-workout nutrition. HIIT workouts involve short yet extensive workout sessions, which is why it's very important for the pre-workout diet to be high in energy. The human body works all day long and is busy in the processes of muscle building and repair. Pre-workout nutrition refers to the diet that you should take about 4 hours before the workout session. If the pre-workout nutrition is planned strategically, it gives the body ample time and energy to recover and make new muscles. About 4 hours prior to your workout, it's important to take in sufficient amounts of carbohydrates and proteins. Carbs are the body's major source of energy, and they give the body the ultimate fuel which is needed to drive a workout. Proteins, on the other hand, are coupled with carbs for repair and muscle building. The carb intake should be moderate enough not to overload the body, but energize it enough for the workouts. Some good pre-workout food options include dried fruit, such as almonds or cashew nuts, plain yogurt, preferably a blend of yogurt, fruits, and some veggies in the form of a smoothie, protein powder, and whole wheat toast, a banana and some strawberries or a smoothie. These meals are a great way to energize the body for the workout by giving it the extra energy it requires. Just an hour or so before the actual workout, the body is in need of a boost of energy. This comes from carbohydrates, so the meal plan immediately before the workout needs to be rich in carbohydrates. Some good pre-workout meal options include a bowl of fruit, a nut energy bar, peanut butter toast. Then just half an hour before the workout, take in a scoop of whey protein. This is important to reduce the recovery time for the body in case of muscle fatigue or any energy loss. Proteins are the ultimate muscle-building sources of the body, and when the body needs repair, they are at the front. Post-workout nutrition. Likewise, after you're done with such an intense workout, it's important to make up for what the body's lost. Firstly, the body has lost its glycogen reserve, which is the form in which glucose is stored in the body. Secondly, during the workout process, the muscles are also broken down. The main nutrient required for their repair is protein. As such, the post-workout diet plan should have more proteins. Immediately after a HIIT workout session, it's not possible to fix yourself a proper meal, so you can go for quick fixes that have a high protein content. Some options include a protein shake, a slice of white bread, soy milk, and 2 spoons of jelly. These foods are to be taken in before the actual meal for the day or night. You can't take this half an hour after the workout. The proper meal after an HIIT workout should be rich in carbs and proteins both, since both are needed. Carbohydrates are needed for glucose, a part of which will be stored as glycogen in the liver again. On the other hand, proteins are needed for repair of worn-out muscles. It has been seen through research that the best combination of proteins and carbs is in a 1-to-3 ratio. After you finish your session, make sure that you have a proper meal in the 2 hours following your workout session. Proteins need to be included since they are involved in building up muscles. The amino acids present in your diet are the building blocks used to repair damaged muscle cells. Different cells in the body are involved in the process of using amino acids to make new muscle fibers or to damage the ones that have been severed during intense workouts. Proteins present in the milk products are quite beneficial for the muscle health, so snacks for HIIT diet plan are normally scoops of whey protein or casein protein. Rice with veggies and chicken, pasta and salad, add meat sauce for taste, a cup of mixed green salad and some salmon, a cup of green beans and salmon. It's also important to incorporate some healthy fats into your post-workout meal. This is because fats aid in reducing inflammation that often occurs as a result of high-intensity workouts. Inflammation, if it prevails, can hinder the exercising process for subsequent days, so it is essential to deal with it from day one. Along with food, it's important to make up for the water loss during the workout session. Keep drinking water throughout the day till you go to bed. When you exercise, a lot of water is lost in the form of sweat, so this needs to be replaced since a hydrated body sees quicker results in terms of exercise. 3-day meal ideas. As mentioned earlier, it's absolutely imperative for a good diet plan to complement the workout session for the exercise plan to yield results. A 3-day meal plan with 3 main courses of the day along with 2 snacks is given below. Day 1, breakfast, 2 whole eggs, 1 slice of low-fat cheese, 2 slices of low-fat turkey bacon, 2 slices of whole wheat bread. Morning snack, a cup of berries or a handful of walnuts. Lunch, spinach, 5 ounces of shrimp, half a cup of dried oatmeal, a tablespoon of salad dressing. Midday snack, a tablespoon of peanut butter, half a cup of cottage cheese. Dinner, barbecue chicken with natural barbecue sauce, whole wheat bread, cabbage dressing, 5 ounces of kale. Day 2, breakfast, an English muffin, whole wheat, 3 slices of turkey bacon, breakfast sandwich with eggs and a slice of cheese. Morning snack, a cup of cottage cheese, half a cup of berries. Lunch, 6 ounces of chicken breast, a cup of zucchini sliced well. Midday snack, a scoop of whey protein, handful of any dried fruit. Dinner, a large baked potato, grilled salmon, half a cup of cheese and a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Salt and hot sauce for taste. Day 3, breakfast, 3 whole eggs, omelet made with reduced fat, cheese, and onions. Morning snack, a cup of spinach, 2 spoons of salad dressing with oil and vinegar. Lunch, a cup of broccoli chopped well, a tablespoon of salad dressing with olive oil and vinegar, 8 ounces of chicken breast. Midday snack, peanut butter on whole wheat toast. Dinner, canned tuna sandwich, half a cup of green yogurt, celery stalk chopped well with chopped onions. It's only by consuming ample amounts of required nutrients that you can benefit from your workouts. If the pre-workout meals and the post-workout meals are not sufficiently loaded with the right nutrients, you will feel fatigued in no time, and it will also decrease the stamina of the body. Coupled with this meal plan, it's important to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every single day to keep hydrated. More water equals a better workout metabolism, which is helpful for a successful workout.